Hi, in front of me is Vivo X51 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Firstly, open any apps, for example Chrome and YouTube. Then click on the square button and tap on the icon with two lines. Choose split screen. After that, click the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!